Hey guys, welcome to Outlaw Edge. Crappy camera work here. So recently, I was talking to a friend of mine in Texas, and he actually sent me a box of badass stuff that I'll share with you guys real quick. But just wanted to give you a quick shop update. It's been absolutely stupid busy here, just trying to get caught up, trying to get some cars out of here. And we'll be back on Vigilante real soon, hopefully. Things have gone completely, it's chaos here at the shop right now. And so many projects and builds and everything going on, so we're trying to get caught up. But I got this box of stuff in the mail the other day and I wanted to share with you guys. So Mayhem Fab Shop is on YouTube. Go check his channel out. Cool ass guy, does some beautiful work. Sent me a hat, and I like how he does all the stuff underneath that says Mayhem and whatever. But the stuff that he sent me, it meant a lot. It was really cool. Thanks, brother. I appreciate it. I'm not gonna say his name on here because I don't think he wants his name on YouTube or whatever, but that's cool too. But I'll flip the camera around and I'll kind of show you some of the stuff that he made. And if you guys are interested in buying any of that stuff, I'll try to put the link below. I'll talk to him and get his Instagram and Facebook and YouTube and all that crap. I know he's having some problems with his YouTube channel right now. I'm not gonna get it all into the personal stuff that he told me, but you know, I'm sure he'll get his YouTube figured out and whatever, so he can start posting some more stuff. He has an amazing YouTube channel and does some radical fabrication, metal twisting, forging, you know, builds like motorcycle and bicycle handlebars that are all tricked out, and custom parts, and, you know, antiques and mantiques and, you know, rusty rat rod style stuff. Excuse me. But I'll try to put the links down below in the video. And in the meantime, I'm gonna flip the camera around and I'll show you guys what he sent me. So on the back of my Roadster here, I figured it'd be a cool spot to show you guys. But look at some of the stuff that he's built me. This one I'm just absolutely in love with. This is gonna go on my welding table, and I'm gonna use this every day. This thing is just radical. I love how you put the little bend in the bottom of the handle. It's made out of rebar, I believe. But look at the detail in the bends and stuff, what he did here. How cool is that? So this ball peen's definitely going on my welding table. This one's got a lot of heft into it. Beautiful work though. And then he built a wooden handle down at the bottom, all out of hardwood. And it's obviously pinned right here so the handle can't come out. This sucker's heavy. Really cool looking hammer and everything. And then the tools that he makes, like the adjustable crescent wrenches, and then obviously like a beer top or soda top, what do you call them? A lift top cap tool, and then another crescent wrench. But thanks so much, brother. I really appreciate this. If you guys are interested in any of this beautiful artwork that he does, he not only does this kind of stuff, he does a whole bunch of other stuff, like I said, like mantique, antique, and motorcycle parts, bicycle parts, all kinds of cool stuff. If you're interested in any of that kind of stuff, I'll leave the links in the video down below. And we'll see you on the next one. Later.